Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Science with Akshma. In previous videos, we have seen that what is neutralization reaction and how it occurs. In today's video, we will see reaction of an acid with the metallic oxide. Through this, we will understand the nature of the metallic oxide, whether it is acidic or basic. So let us understand this concept with an example. For this, we will do the reaction between copper oxide and between an acid, that is hydrochloric acid. So when the reaction takes place between copper oxide and hydrochloric acid, it produces salt and water. That salt is copper chloride and its color is light green. So when metallic oxide reacting with acid and producing salt and water, as already we know that when acid react with base, then only it produce salt and water. So this indicate that metallic oxides are basic in nature. Yes. Now next, how the non-metallic oxides react with base. So when base react with non-metallic oxide, again it produce salt and water. For this, we will take base, that is calcium hydroxide. When we do the reaction between calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide. So when the reaction between calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide takes place, then we will get salt and water. Salt is calcium carbonate. So this reaction indicates that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. So through these two reactions, what we can infer that? We can infer that metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Let us do some questions based on this concept. Now let us see this question. Question is, with example explain what happens when a base reacts with a non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide and base. You have to explain the reaction between base and non-metallic oxide, and what do you infer about the nature of non-metallic oxide. Means we have to tell the nature of the non-metallic oxide, whether it is acidic or basic. For that we should know any chemical equation between base and non-metallic oxide. So let's understand. So base react with non-metallic oxide. So let's consider this example. Base CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. It is a base, calcium hydroxide. And what is the nature of this? It is base. And reaction between non-metallic oxide. For this, let's take the example carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide. Because carbon is a non-metal, so when non-metal react with oxygen, it form carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide. So when the reaction between calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide takes place, we will get calcium carbonate CaCO3 in the form of precipitate. This is the salt. Calcium carbonate is the salt, and we will get water, H2O. So what we can infer through this chemical equation, when, as already we know through neutralization reaction, when base react with acid, then it produce salt and water. So this indicates that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. So through this equation we can say that non-metallic oxides are generally acidic in nature. So when a base react with a non-metallic oxide, then it produces salt and water, and this indicates that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, next question, question number 2. What is observed when carbon dioxide gas pass through lime water? What is lime water? Lime water is CaOH twice. Two conditions are given to you for a short duration, for a long duration. Let's first understand for a short duration. Short duration means if you are supplying limited amount of carbon dioxide gas to the calcium hydroxide. So first, when you will pass carbon dioxide gas to lime water, this is lime water. When you will pass carbon dioxide to calcium hydroxide, then it will form CaCO3, salt and water. So when you will pass limited amount of carbon dioxide through the lime water, then lime water turns milky due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate here is insoluble. So because of formation of calcium carbonate, the lime water turns milky. Now when you will pass for a long duration, when you will pass carbon dioxide gas for long duration, it means you are passing carbon dioxide in excess amount, then this calcium carbonate react with that carbon dioxide and water and form a soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate, CaHCO3 twice and water, and it is soluble. Calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble and solution become clear. So in both the condition, what you have observed, when you will pass carbon dioxide in limited amount, then lime water turns milky. It turns milky. Why it become milky? Due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. But if you will pass carbon dioxide gas in excess amount through the lime water, then there is formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate, and this calcium hydrogen carbonate is soluble in water and solution become clear. So till this video, we have learned about all the chemical properties of acids and bases. In next video, I will explain how we will check the strength of acidic and basic substances. Thank you so much for watching my video.